Hi guys, welcome to today's Blender tutorial. For today's daily tip, I'm going to demonstrate how you can change your active camera in Blender so that you can render from different angles. Now in this scene we have 3 cameras set up, but only one camera can be the active camera. Now there are 3 methods for changing your active camera. Currently, this camera here is our active camera. Now you can tell when a camera is the active camera by looking at the triangle on top of that camera's shape. If that triangle is shaded, then that is the active camera. If it's transparent, like this camera for example, then that camera is not active. If we select this camera and press 0 to go into the camera view, you can see through the lens of that camera. If I select a camera that is not active, however, and press 0, it still goes to our active camera's view. And this will occur if we try to render the image as well. So there are 3 methods, as I said before, to changing your active camera. The first method is to come to View, then come to Cameras, and then set your active object as the new camera. I'm going to left click, and you can see that Blender snaps to the view of my new active camera. If I attempt to render an image using this camera, we are able to do so successfully. If I attempted to render from my original camera, which is this one here, go to Render and Render Image, it still renders from our active camera. Now the second method of changing what our active camera is to use the hotkey Control and then numpad 0. So say if I wanted to use this camera to create a bird's eye view render of my scene. Select the camera first, then hold down Control and press 0 on your number pad. You can now see that we have snapped to this bird's eye view. If I attempt to render an image, we are able to successfully render from this view. The third method is going to be located in the Properties panel. The tab that we want in the Properties panel is going to be the Scene Properties tab. The first option we see here in this tab is our camera. Currently it's camera.001. If we left click, we can choose which camera we want to use. Let's say we want to go back to our original camera. Left click, and then it snaps the camera view to the new active camera. So this is another really quick way of changing between any of the cameras that you have in your scene. This is my preferred method of swapping out between cameras because I can identify each of my cameras from the list here. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you are interested in learning more about Blender, then you can check out our free introductory masterclass over at our website. Click on the link in the video description to learn more.